Hello everyone. How are you doing? I hope you're doing great. Welcome to my channel, Alexa's Garden. In this video, I want to show you new varieties of roses that I have planted in my garden. Do you like roses? Do you grow roses in your garden? Let's walk together along the garden beds where I grow roses. Rose Lenka Fraila. These white Floribunda roses are easy to grow in your garden. In summer, this rose will become a real decoration of your garden. This hybrid of roses can be used to make magnificent flower arrangements. Floribunda Roses Lenka Fraila is a hybrid of a tea rose and a polyanthus rose that blooms long and luxuriantly. Botanists offered similar rose hybrids to gardeners about half a century ago. This rose has a very delicate aroma. The plant tolerates frost well and is resistant to fungal diseases. Hybrid features. The hybrid Lenka Fraila was bred in Serbia in 2017 and has already received recognition in Europe. The rose has a high peduncle that blooms gorgeous creamy white flowers. The rosebud has a creamy yellow color, and by the end of flowering the rose becomes almost snow white. The rose blooms almost continuously. The hybrid Lenka Fraila has dark green leaves, which look spectacular as a backdrop for bright flowers. Unlike most varieties of Floribunda rose, this hybrid has a strong aroma. Description of the hybrid. Color cream, white. Height 23 to 27 inches or 60 to 70 centimeters. The flower size is 2 to 3 inches or 6 to 8 centimeters. Flowering period, June-September. How to grow Lenka Fraila roses. This variety looks great in the background of borders with roses of other shades or perennials of the same height. The rose prefers loose, well-drained soils that have good sunlight. Top dressing is recommended twice a year because the plant blooms profusely and spends a lot of energy on flowering. White roses can decorate almost any flower arrangement. Rosa Schneewittchen. Rosa Schneewittchen is one of the most common, popular, and most beautiful roses. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Can't twist myself at the spine. The bush of this rose is branchy and vigorous, reaching sizes from 40 to 60 inches or 100 to 150 centimeters in height and 40 inches or 100 centimeters in width. Young leaves are light green, then they become dark green and shiny. The flower buds are small, light pink in color, which then develop into flowers with a diameter of 2.5 inches or 6 centimeters. The flower is semi-double, white. Flowers are collected in flower clusters, each stem has from 3 to 15 flowers. Plant height, 40 to 60 inches or 100 to 150 centimeters. Flower color, light pink. Flower diameter, 3 inches or 6 centimeters. Flowering period, June end of September. Rose Schneewittchen is almost odorless. This variety of roses is very winter hardy and hardy. The flowering of the rose is plentiful, long, begins in June, and continues until the end of autumn. Rosa Schneewittchen is widely used for planting in hedges and in mixed plantings. This rose prefers sunny places in the garden. Rose yellow doll. Another beautiful representative of roses in my garden is the yellow doll border rose. Rose yellow doll is a miniature border rose, low bush. The flowers of the plant are terry, have a bright yellow sunny color. I grow this variety for cutting and forming group compositions. The rose looks beautiful in landscape compositions in the garden. Flowers have a pleasant aroma. Also, miniature yellow doll roses can be planted in flower pots, creating flower combinations. Roses yellow doll description. Mature plant height, 8 to 10 inches, or 20 to 30 centimeters. Width of an adult plant, about 15 inches or 30 to 40 centimeters. Flower size, approximately 2 inches, or 5 to 6 centimeters. Color, lemon yellow. Flowering period, June-September. Winter hardiness, average. Roses need extra shelter for the winter. This rose is resistant to fungal diseases. The best place to plant roses is nutrient-rich soil that is loose and moderately moist. It is better to give preference to black soil or fertilized loam. Features of growing border roses yellow doll and care. You can plant yellow doll border roses in autumn and spring. The prepared seedling is planted at a depth of 10 to 15 inches. Roses like moderate regular watering and top dressing. For planting in the garden, choose a sunny place. For the winter, care should be taken to cover the plant to protect it from frost. Yellow doll border roses have a pleasant fragrance. They are very elegant flowers that are not difficult to grow. A seedling with an open root system should be properly prepared before planting. If planting is carried out in the spring, it is necessary to remove the wax from the ends of the branches, if any. After that, shorten the ends of the branches with a garden tool by 0.5 inches.
You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight.
For better growth and flowering of roses, I recommend using complex mineral fertilizers for roses of prolonged action.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling in the rain.
Thank you for watching.
Baby, you give me.
I hope this video was helpful and interesting for you.
You whip up my appetite.
If you liked the video, don't forget to give a thumbs up at the bottom and subscribe to my channel. See you later.